Woo! It's a windy day today. Woo! Let's move on. Oh, what's that? I see a worm in a wagon with water and who's wet. A worm sitting in a wagon with water and the worm is wet. Which sound was there in all of them? W, W, W sound. W. You're right. Let's read some more words. Swim, swim. W, magic E. I-D, wide. W, long E sound. Remember? W-E-D, weed. W-E-T, wet. W-E-N-D, wind. W, magic E again. A-st, waste. You're right. Just think more and do the sheet. There's one more sound here. Let's see the words. Yes, it's a zero, a zebra, a zipper, and a zoo. So what sound is it? Z, Z, Z sound. What sound? Z sound. And this is letter Z. The buzzing sound, Z, that's the sound for letter Z. Okay? Now what you're going to do, just think of more words with this Z sound and share it across. Happy learning!